dyan sa bag na yan is supposedly, dadalhin ni Mama yan sa Pilipinas. And may mga chocolate pa to na mai-expired na. Kasi nga, di ba, ang uwi talaga ni Mama is November. Meron na siyang ticket lahat-lahat. Pero nga, di ba, na-cancel nga. So, yung mga pinamili naming mga pagkain, mga chocolate, biscuit, basta lahat ng pagkain is may expired na siya by this year. So, kaya ang plano ko, marami-rami kasi ito guys eh. Ayan o. Katulad neto. Kailan ang expiration neto? Oh, malapit na. So, ang gagawin ko siguro, magpapaalam muna ako kay Gunner kung paano ko gagawin to. Kasi ang plano ko is, ipamimigay ko siya since malapit na yung Bayram, bigayan sa mga bata ba, pamimigay ko. Pero baka kasi may gagawin dito si Ane. So, we will see. We will gonna find out. Marami to, ayan no. Eto, yung mga ganito. Ganyan yung mga gusto dalhin ni Mama. Sayang naman to siya. Ayan. Meron pa dito. Meron pa. May mga tweaks. May mga tweaks pa. Naku! Brownie. Merong crackers. Sobrang dami, guys. Someone is knocking? Teka. Why are you so early? May mga guys, kanina pa ako salita, hindi pa pala siya naka-record. But anyway, eto nga. Ayan, ang dami pang mga Milka. Meron pa sa cabinet namin, meron pa sa taas.
Ano kailan ito mabubola?
Ito, oh my God. Wow. Ayan, ang dami. Oh my goodness. Dapat i-ano mo yun, Ma, yung mga chocolate dun, Ma. Para ipamigay ba sa Bayram?
Kailan ito Bayram? Mami, let me!
No, you have to put it there lang. Okay. Ganyan ba?
Mommy, let me.
Saan?
Look.
Oh, you have to be careful. It might get us cracks.
Mommy. Look.
Oh, what are you doing?
Mami, basag na ito eh. Nanganak na.
Mommy, it broke.
Yeah, don't touch it. Just put it back.
Yung baho.
Baho?
Baho.
You have to be careful in putting, ha?
Kasi nabasag.
Hindi, nanganak na eh. Mami, ito na lang yung maximum. What should I do, Mami? I'll do it.
Put it on the top.
Hi. Like it crack. I crack it. Crack.
Yan, don't crack it!
It is a baby. Okay, Mami, it's finished.
Ha, baby.
Okay, now you put away the, mga glass.
It's a
Si Barbie
baby.
sa baba.
Mommy, no, Mommy, I will do it on the bed. Can you touch it? Can you make hot? You make because I do many things today. You put this there. This one.
Baho pa rin ang kamay ko, my God.
Magsabon ka kasi yung hugas mo pang ano eh.
Ma, for you. For you.
Lahat ng glass ilagay mo dito.
Oh. Yeah, Mami, pero mas maganda yung mga plato, Mami. Mami, wait. Mami, pero yung mga plato, Mami, mas maganda pa doon. Doon, mas maganda yung plato doon.
Hirap din sa kuwan.
Makakay kayo. Hindi ko yata na-mention sa inyo, but Gunnar is going to France. And I have to prepare his clothes na dadalhin niya sa France.
Where's the box?
I-prepare natin. Antok na. Kinakabahan ako. Ba't ako bilang kinabahan?
Mommy said it's here.
Mag-prepare na tayo. And supposedly, gusto ko talagang sumama, guys. Kasi sayang naman. Yes.
This is my bag.
Yeah, of course. That's yours.
Where I'm gonna put this on the mat?
You put it under the... Ay, here. Kung saan mo kinuha yan?
What, Mommy?
Dito, kung saan mo kinuha yung box?
Eh, Mommy, nandito yung box na kaya.
That's fine.
Oh.
So, he needs... Kasi for sure sa France, baka medyo malamig pa doon. Kasi dito naman sa Turkey, hindi naman sila same ng weather.
When you will go France?
Ha?
When you will go France?
I don't know. Hopefully as soon as possible. Guys, gustong-gusto ko sumama talaga kay Gunnar. Pero, hindi ako makakasama dahil nga, syempre, yung, alam mo yun, pamasahe din, plus, ako kasi mahilig ako, my love, mamasyal tayo, let's go here. Kaya sabi ko, okay, sige, wag na lang. Kailangan natin ng socks for him. Socks. Dalawang socks. Socks for him. What else? Okay, boxer. What else? Jogging pants, t-shirt, and then one shoes. Okay. I get it. Ano? Dalawang jogging pants. Gusto ko ipabaon sa kanya yung ano ba, yung komportable ba siya pagka naglakad-lakad siya.
Mommy,
Offended.
Baba, she know how to cook. Baba,
Yeah, of course.
you will cook ketchup?
Hindi pa tuyo yung partner nito. So, ano na to? X na to. X ka na, Bia. This one. This one.
Mama, Mama, is not who will bring us?
Nerde.
When is not that who will bring us?
Huh?
When is not that who will bring us?
Where?
On the school. When it's not touching.
When it's not tatil? Mommy? Why? Why? You will miss Baba? Aww. Earlier, Baba was calling you, but you were focused on the cell phone. Come here. Oh. Oh. Do you miss Baba? Oh, I will call Baba now. You talk to Baba, okay? You say, Baba, I miss you. I will miss you, Baba.
Then I'll go France.
You wanna go to France also?
Yes, Mommy, I love Papa.
You love Baba. Aww. It's okay. Oh my gosh. You have to take a shower tonight, huh? This is a big, big wound. Okay, I'll call Baba, okay?
Papa, keep the circuit out.
Yeah, but it will heal if you take a shower. If you don't take a shower, the powder is there. A lot of dirty is there. So we have to clean it. Okay? I will not put a soap.
Okay.
Okay. Bagla.
I'm gonna go France. I'm gonna go France.
But Baba don't allow us. Because it's so expensive.
I want to go also.
Mommy want to go also. But how?
Efendim? Ne oldu kızım yine? Yarın ne oldu?
O diyor o özledim sen. Yarın
Kızım baba
sen
burada neden özledin sen?
yarın sen Fransa gidiyor.
Tamam mı?
O diyor kim götür biz okulda?
Okul yok kızım zaten okul tatil baba bak geldi pazartesi. Baby sonra tamam şimdi ben barış.
Tamam, I love you. Oh, you say bye to Baba.
Bye.
Guys, I have to get that one kasi ayun yung dadalhin niya lalagyan ng mga damit. And of course, I have to get some luggages na malaki para sa
This is
pang
Baba.
check-in niya.
This is Papa's.
Yeah. Rolancho ka na, hindi na kita mahawakan. Ha? Ate, can you hold this one? Ay!
Ikaw naman, drama ka naman, Mami.
Ay, Nesta, huwag mo akong biro-biruin, Nesta. Baka makulot kita. Hold it properly, anak. Nahuhulog na ako sa'yo, nak eh. Parang wala ka naman pakialam kay mami mo eh.
Ikaw naman gumakarap sa sarili mo, Mami. Ano ba na, Mami?
Thank you. Thank you.
No problem.
Why can you tell you something? What is
What's your problem na naman?
What is this? The brown.
Oh. Maybe it's a wound. Oh, it's like a chocolate something. Guys, hindi ko alam kung anong laman nito. Tignan natin. Pero for sure mga damit to. Aray. Hala! Nahilo ako.
Kasi dahil sa inyo
Grabe, nahilo ako. These are my clothes.
Cristiano
Yes,
Ronaldo.
these are my clothes. Kung kailan na, ano naman na eh. Tapos na yung lamig eh. Tsaka ko nakita itong mga sweater ko. Napakagaling talaga naman.
Wow, nahanap mo pa yung jacket na ano, ha?
Hmm? Andito pala nakatago tong mga to. I didn't.
Mami, finish na yung summer, Mami. Ba't mo chinika natin, ano?
Mommy, this is
This one is kay Gunner. Oh, I've been looking for this one.
Mommy, look. We can try.